Good morning, children. I'm your social teacher. So on 10th, that means 10/9/2020, you have test of all the subjects, isn't it? So you have to prepare well for all the subjects. I will tell you how to write the exam. So what is the duration for the exam? What is the model paper of the how the paper will be? These and all I will tell you. So first you will get one link, Nana. So you have to click on that link. If you click on that link, you can see the question paper in your mobile. So first they will give you name of the student, and below that your answer will be there. So in the place of your answer, you have to write your name. After that, your mobile number. Below that, your answer. In the place of your answer, you have to write your mobile number. So after that, you will have 10 multiple choice questions. So each question carries 2 points. So I will give you one example for the multiple choice question, how it will be. Okay, consider one who teaches students is called. So here this is the consider, this is the first question. You have 4 options like this. First one is consider doctor, teacher, third police, and fourth nurse. So like this you will have options. So which one who teaches students is called as teacher. So here which is the correct answer? Teacher is the correct answer. So you have to click on this. Then it will be selected. Then go to the second question. So answer for the question. So which one is correct? On that you have to click. Then it will be selected. After doing all the 10 multiple choice questions, then you have to click on submit. After 10 questions, you will have below submit option. Click on that submit. So after submitting, immediately you will get the number of points you scored in the test. Okay, children. So like that you have to write the exam. The duration for the exam test will be 1 hour, Nana. So within this 1 hour you have to write all the test and you have to submit. So later you can't see it, that link won't be opened. Okay. Like that you have to write. So compulsorily all of you should write the test. Is it clear, children? So question paper is for 20 points. That means each question carries 2 points. So you will have 10 multiple choice questions and you have to write all the multiple choice questions. You should not select 2, Nana. It won't accept also. You have to choose only one answer. Like that you have to write the question paper. Okay, is it clear? And today let us go for the revision of 1 and 2 lessons. So you have test for 1 and 2 lessons on 10th. So you have to prepare first lesson and second lesson. Okay, children, let us go through the lessons. So let us revise once again globes and maps, latitudes and longitudes. So how many lessons you have for test, Nana? 2 lessons, first lesson and second lesson. Just listen the class, Nana. So what is the shape? First lesson, globes and maps. What is the shape of the earth? It is in spherical shape. Who proved that the earth is round? Ferdinand Magellan in 1519, he proved that the earth is round. Round means here spherical in shape. Okay, so here the surface of the earth is divided into large land masses and huge water bodies. These large land masses are called as continents. The huge water bodies are called as oceans. Okay, children. So here we are going to discuss about globes and maps. Globes, before going to that, what are those continents? There are 7 continents on the world. What are those 7 continents? Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. These are the 7 continents. Which is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent. And which is the smallest continent? Australia. And Australia is also one of the smallest country also. Okay. Now let us go for the globes. What is meant by globe? Globe is a miniature model of the earth. What is meant by miniature? Miniature means small model of the earth. So here, with the help of the globe, we can know the exact shape of the earth and we can locate countries, continents, oceans on the globe. And we cannot go in depth of any particular place in the globe. That is one of the disadvantage of globes and maps. So what is meant by map? Drawing of a part or whole earth on a flat surface is known as maps. Here, with the help of maps, we can locate countries, continents, villages, towns, cities, any particular location, what are the different landforms we have, those and all we can know in detail with the help of the map. We have different maps. We have number of maps. So particular state map, particular district map or particular country map and world map, different maps we have now. Here the maps are mainly divided into 3 types: political map, physical map and thematic map. So political map, here this map is helpful to locate the countries, towns, cities, villages like that. And physical map, these maps are helpful to know the landforms. What are those landforms? Forests, rivers, lakes, ponds, deltas. These and all we can identify, locate in the physical map. Thematic map. So this thematic map is helpful to know the particular subject. Maybe industries. So what industries we have in this particular location, or crops production, what production is produced in that particular areas through the crops. These and all we can know through the thematic map. Okay, children. So here the directions. There are 4 main directions. What are those? East, west, north, south, and 4 more sub directions are also there. What are those?